So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the best budget battery charger you can buy for your car, especially if you rarely use your car, because you're always losing charge on your battery when you don't use your car. So to maintain your battery from getting damaged, this is the best budget battery charger in my opinion. This is the NOCO Genius 2. So the good thing about this, because I have this charger now for about a year, and it's working excellent for me. It's always charging my battery, it's always keeping my battery full, and this is fully automatic. And by the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video by NOCO, so I'm just telling you from my experience, because I had this one for a year now, so I never have any issues with this. So for $50 you're gonna have the same benefits like the NOCO Genius 5, NOCO Genius 10. It has a thermal compensation, fully automatic, and it has also the force mode if you want to charge a dead battery. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to charge a battery, and also some details about the NOCO Genius 2 if you're planning to buy or you had one already. I'm going to tell you some of the details how this NOCO Genius 2 functions. By the way, guys, I have 3 giveaways to give on this video, so stay tuned at the end of the video while I explain to you the details on how to win the 3 giveaways. So now let's continue to the video. So before you connect the NOCO Genius 2, you have to find out what type of battery you have first, so you can put that in the setup when you charge the battery. So in my car, it's a BMW, they always put the battery in the trunk. So here I see that it's AGM. So this is an AGM battery. So to connect the NOCO Genius 2, I'm gonna use the clamps for now, because you can also use the eyelet if you wanna connect the charger permanently to your car. You can just unscrew this part here and use the eyelet and directly connect it to your battery or your charging port. So today I'm just going to use the clamps for demonstration to show you how to charge the battery on my BMW. So I'm going to put the negative on the ground here, and I'm going to put the positive on the positive terminal here for the BMW. So now the NOCO Genius 2 is plugged in, so I just have to plug in the power, and I can explain to you the rest of the symbols on this charger or modes. So now that the charger is plugged in, as you can see, it's on the standby mode right now. But since my car is AGM, I'm going to put the mode here on the 12 volt AGM. So here you have the 12 volt regular, which is the flooded batteries. Most of the batteries on the car is flooded. So for my car it's AGM, so I'm going to select AGM. Some cars, some of the cars, they also have lithium batteries, so this is the mode that you're going to select if it's lithium. And here you also have a 12 volt battery if you have a 12 volt battery. So before I go through all the modes here, I'm gonna show you all the meaning of these symbols here, so you know what it is in case these things light up. So when you see the symbol V, so when this symbol is lit, it means that the battery voltage is too high for the selected mode. If you see the next symbol beside that, it's a small look like a small battery icon with an X on it. It means that the battery will not hold a charge, so that you have a defective battery. And for the next one beside it, which is this one here, it means that it's reverse polarity. So when you have these 3 symbols flashing, that means the internal temperature inside the charger is too high, so it's gonna go back to the normal mode when the temperatures go back to the normal temperature. Also, it means that the ambient temperature might be too cold also. So if it's too cold, then it's gonna have the same issue. It's still gonna flash these three symbols here. They're telling you that the ambient temperature outside, it's too cold. So here you have 4 squares here. So each squares represent 25% of the charge. So you have a 25, 50, 75, and 100. So once you reach 100, that's full. And then when the 100, the big square here is flashing, that's in a maintenance mode. So it's only monitoring your battery. So it's gonna give you a charge when it needs a charge. So that means you always have the battery all the time full. So it's a good thing about it that it maintains your battery to make sure it's always full all the time. So now I'm gonna select the mode for the battery, the mode on the 12 volt AGM, so we can start charging. So just press once. So now it's in the flooded battery. The next one is AGM. So now it's in the AGM battery mode. So once you left on the AGM battery mode, it's gonna start charging. You can see that it's pulsing red. So it's gonna continue charging until we hit the last one, which is 100%. So now it's on the last square. That means it's almost 100%. After that, all this block here, all the 3 squares here will disappear and only the green one will pulse. That means it's on maintenance mode. It's almost 100% right now, so that's why it's flashing on the last square. So now the battery is fully charged and it's doing the maintenance mode. So this keeps your battery fully charged all the time by maintaining and monitoring if it needs a charge while it's connected to your car. So this is the final stage on charging your car with the NOCO Genius 2. So guys, here are the giveaways that I'm going to be giving away. So I have a dash cam, ceramic coating, and a wireless cell phone car charger. So to participate on the giveaway, it's very easy. You have to be a subscriber, you have to like this video, and also you have to put down in the comment which product do you want and put down the word subscribe. So the comment picker will pick the winner, and I'm gonna have 3 draws. So 1 product for each draw, and we're gonna have 3 winners. And I'm gonna announce that winner on the next upcoming video. So this giveaway is only for the US and Canada subscribers. So I will not be shipping this outside the US or Canada. So good luck to everybody, and don't forget, you have to like the video, comment down the product that you want to get. Don't forget to put the word subscribe in your comment. So good luck to everybody. Hope to see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.